Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and please don't skip my videos. Watch till the end. In this video, we are gonna learn about doctors. A doctor is a person who helps to keep human health in a healthy condition. Doctors help patients to get relief from their pain. Doctors play a very essential role in human life. We can say doctors are the incarnation of the God. Doctors can be defined as a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill. Why do we need a doctor? There are actually many good reasons to see a doctor regularly, even when you feel fine. The most important reason is that some serious illness require treatment before you feel or recognize them, such as heart disease, thyroid disorders, kidney issues, and cancers such as of the prostate, colon, and breast. What are the most important responsibilities of a doctor? A doctor primarily works in medicine, specializing in preventing, diagnosing, and treating diseases and injuries. They are responsible for examining patients and assessing their medical conditions and prescribing appropriate treatment plans. Why are doctors so important? Healthcare professionals have a significant impact on our lives. From the day we are born, we need doctors' assistance to ensure our well-being. Doctors across the globe tackle the plethora of health complications and strive to give their patients longer lives. Gastroenterologist is also called as digestive system doctor. A gastroenterologist is a medical professional who specializes in disease and conditions that affect the digestive organs and structures. These parts of the body include the esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, colon, rectum, pancreas, gallbladder, bile ducts, liver. Hepatologist. A hepatologist is a liver doctor, which is a big job. In order to treat liver disease, a hepatologist has to know about all organs in our biliary tract. That means they also treat you for bile duct diseases as well. Some hepatologists specialize in end-stage liver disease and liver transplantations. Pulmonologist is also called as lungs doctor, a physician who specializes in the respiratory system. From the windpipe to the lungs, if you're complaining more of the lungs or any other part of the respiratory system, a pulmonologist is a doctor. You want to solve the problem. Pulmonology is a medical field of study within the internal medicine. Nephrologist is also called as kidney doctor, a medical doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating kidney conditions. You should see a nephrologist if you have any sign of a kidney disease or other condition that may damage your kidneys. Otolaryngologist, also called as ENT doctor, a doctor who has special training in diagnosing and treating diseases of the ear, nose, and throat. Diseases of the ear, nose, and throat are extremely common and are often treated in an emergency department setting. Endocrinologist is also called as diabetes and hormone doctor, a doctor who has special training in diagnosing and treating disorders of endocrine system, the glands and organs that make hormones. These disorders include diabetes, infertility, and thyroid and adrenal and pituitary gland problems. Oncologist, also called as cancer doctor, a doctor who has special training in diagnosing and treating cancer. Some oncologists specialize in a particular type of cancer treatment. For example, a radiation oncologist specializes in treating cancer with radiations. Psychiatrist is also called as mental health doctor. A psychiatrist is a medical doctor who specializes in mental health, including substance use disorders. Psychiatrists are qualified to assess both the mental and physical aspects of psychological problems. People seek psychiatric help for many reasons. Ophthalmologist is also called as eye doctor. An ophthalmologist is an eye care specialist. Unlike optometrists and opticians, ophthalmologists are doctors of medicine or doctors of osteopathy. They have specialized training and experience in diagnosing and treating eye and vision conditions. Orthopedist, also called as bones doctor, a medical professional who specializes in diagnosing and treating conditions affecting the musculoskeletal system, bones, joints, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and cartilage. Neurologist, also called as brain and nerves doctor, a neurologist is a medical doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating diseases of the brain and spinal cord and nerves. Neurological diseases and conditions can affect nearly every part of your body and affect both adults and children. Dermatologist, also called as skin doctor. A dermatologist is a medical doctor who specializes in the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of conditions affecting the skin, hair, nails, and mucous membranes. They can treat a wide range of skin related issues, including acne, skin cancer, warts, hair loss, infections caused by bacteria or viruses, psoriasis, eczema, vitiligo, alopecia. Pediatrician, also called as children's doctor, a doctor who has special training in preventing, diagnosing, treating diseases and injuries in children. Pediatricians also help manage other problems that affect children, such as developmental disorders and behavioral, emotional, and social problems. Gynecologist, also called as women health doctor. A gynecologist is a physician who specializes in diagnosing and treating diseases of the female reproductive system. Your reproductive system is responsible for pregnancy and menstruation. It consists of the vulva and uterus. Dentist, also called as teeth doctor, a person qualified to treat diseases and conditions that affect the teeth and gums, especially repair and extraction of teeth and the insertion of artificial ones. Radiologists are medical doctors that specialize in diagnosing and treating injuries and diseases using medical imaging, that is, radiology procedures such as X-rays, computed tomography, magnetic resonance imaging, nuclear medicine, positron emission tomography, and ultrasound. Cardiologist, a physician who is an expert in the care of your heart and blood vessels. They can treat or help you prevent a number of cardiovascular problems. They can also specialize in specific areas like abnormal heart rhythms, heart failure, or heart problems you have had since birth. Anesthesiologist, a doctor who has special training in giving drugs or other agents to prevent or relieve pain during surgery or other procedures. Surgeon, a doctor who specializes in evaluating and treating conditions that may require surgery or physically changing the human body. Surgeries can be done to diagnose or treat diseases or injury. In the operating room, surgeons lead a team of other doctors and nurses to make sure that the procedures go smoothly. Audiologist. An audiologist is a healthcare professional who specializes in the science of hearing and balance and who diagnoses, manages, and treats hearing, balance, or ear problems. Audiologists work with patients of all ages, from newborn to elder adults. Urologist, a medical doctor and surgeon who specializes in diagnosing and treating conditions affecting the urinary tract and reproductive. A doctor who specializes in the study or treatment of the function and disorder of the urinary system. Pathologist, a doctor who has special training in identifying diseases by studying cells and tissues under a microscope. A scientist who studies the causes and effects of diseases, especially one who examines the laboratory samples of body tissue for diagnostic or forensic purposes. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you.